everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. So today, I'm going to dye my hair purple. Magkukulay po tayo ng ating buhok. Yeah. I've been wanting to dye my hair since I don't know when. I have this inspo pic like saved on my phone for 5 years, I think. Yep. Today, I'm gonna use this. Yep, this. I'm using the KLEUR Color Treatment, the shade Pastel Purple. I bought this off of reseller because it's sold out on the official shop. Yeah, Pimp My Hair. Oh, okay. It's KLEUR by pimpmyhairph color treatment on the shade Pastel Purple. It's only 160 pesos. I know, for 100 ml. I don't think mauubos ko to because my hair is quite short. My hair used to be so long, like until my waist. But I cut it like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, until here, and then I've bleached it after a week. Now we're here. I bleached my hair for like 4 times, I guess. Di pa ako kalbo. It's okay. I have my brush and comb. This for dyeing your hair. This, you need these and gloves. Wait, I need to get gloves. Wait. Oh, this is a demi. I don't know. I don't know what's the difference. It's not the permanent color, so it will fade off. Time passes by. Wow. Okay, I don't have hair clips. You need hair clips. Oh, okay, it's okay. Then we're gonna use hair tie. First, I'm going to section my hair. I don't know how. Yes, I'm going to section my hair first. I'm gonna start coloring from the bottom to the top. Starting from the bottom to the top. Okay? Hi, Brad, if you're watching. Okay. So, yeah. Sa likod muna. And then, so, this is what it looks like inside. Baka matapon. Yep, that's what it looks like. It looks so dark. It looks so dark. Oh! Okay, that's so dark. Dapat lahat meron. Oh my gosh. Ang kalat ko. I'm just gonna use my hands. No. Oh, I should have asked someone to do this for me. If you're planning to dye your hair with blue, pink, or any fashion colors, you need to bleach it first. Kailangan mo na mag-bleach before coloring it with these colors. Ha? Hindi tatalab pag black when you use it on black hair. So yeah, you need to bleach it first, like yellow. Be like on level 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gonna insert picture here. Try to make it super light so you can get the color you want. It does not look like pastel purple. Since di siya permanent color, it fades naman when you wash it. So kung ayaw mo mag-fade, huwag ka maligo. Kailangan nyo maligo, people. Oh my gosh. Baka maging smurf ako. Smurf? Hindi yung smurf, diba? Just make sure you cover everything. So I'm almost done. Oh my, lapit ko na din maubos yung tub. So, I'm done with my hair. I've covered everything as in lahat. I hope nalagyan ko lahat. Hindi ko nakikita yung likod, so naubos ko din yung isang tub. I'm gonna try to leave it 1 hour maximum. I'm going to rinse my hair. It's been an hour. I'm gonna rinse it. I'm gonna be back. Okay, bye. So I'm back. I have washed my hair. I haven't seen it yet, but let's check it out, shall we? Oh my. Iba yung shade niya sa camera and in real. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna dry my hair and gonna show you. Okay. This is how it turns out. So, ganito po yung naging resulta niya. It's now the next day, or the next 2 days. I don't have any lights on. Yung ilaw lang from the window. And, yeah. Can you see it properly? Nag-ayos ako ng slide. Slide, yes. I know hindi pantay-pantay sa ibang spots. May spots na hindi pantay. Kasi hindi pantay yung pagkalagay ko. Nagila ako ng lagay. Okay, sorry. Mas dark siya sa pictures online kasi I leave it on for an hour. Ang nakasulat dun is 30 minutes lang daw siya ilalagay. Pero, I like it. I still like it. It's purple, right? I'm also gonna link this down below where I bought it. 160 pesos lang. Naubos ko siya. Yung 100 ml is for a shoulder length hair. So, if mahaba buhok nyo, you should buy more. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a like if you like my new hair. And subscribe. Subscribe down below. Make that red button gray. Turn on the notifications. Just do everything. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again next time. Bye! You like my hair? Do you want like this?
Yeah.
Like this hair?
Yeah.
What color do you want?
Purple!
Like me? Purple like me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'll show everyone my hair.
You want to show everyone your hair?
I want rainbow hair.
Rainbow hair? You want rainbow hair?
Yeah. Baba, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye.
See you.
See you soon.
Galing ah.
But you're not color my hair.
I will color your hair next time. Okay?
Okay.
Rainbow hair?